It's win and you're in, do or die in Week 17.
We need this one.
The winner goes to the playoffs.
That team right there is in the way. Everything you done worked for. And if you want it, go get it.
The loser gets to sleep in tomorrow.
Everything you got, we need tonight. We got to go punch our ticket. They not going to give it to us. So guess what, man? We don't need no invite. We showing up late as hell to the party. Family on three. 1, 2, 3. Nice job.
Get off, and then let's go get dirty with it, all right?
Roethlisberger throws over the middle, intercepted by Sean Williams. Running to the 50, down the far sideline to the 40, on his feet at the 30.
Intended for Juju Smith-Schuster. This one, a pick six for 58 yards.
Hey, how about another turnover, huh?
Looks, pumps again, throws downfield, intercepted. Picked up Brown, 15, 10, 5, end zone. Touchdown, Titans!
That didn't feel real. That did not feel real at all. You in the matrix. Bruh.
Good job, fellas.
Hey, stay within the game plan. We're good.
They do something with sheep here in the halftime show.
Yes, they have children ride sheep.
Crazy.
It was the most entertaining thing we've seen so far today.
We right here with you. No doubt.
Here comes a blitzing Raider. Mahomes has to get rid of the ball. Finds Kelsey.
You see what happened? The only reason he got me is because he was holding on to my wristband. Like, I made him miss it. Both his hands caught it. We need tighter wristbands. We need tighter wristbands.
Snap to Ryan, hands to Ridley, flips it to Sanu. Ryan is wide open to catch and a touchdown.
The Falcons special.
Tuck out of the gun, looks right, throws over the middle. It is caught by a touchdown. Eric Ebron over the middle. Ebron from 10 yards away.
I told him not to play man. I told him, don't play man coverage against 85.
Pass to Kittle on the near side. There is a big pass to Kittle. Stone cold Kittle. NFL record-setting touchdown catch. Oh, I love that.
That's true Kittle fashion. Finish in the end zone. Great job, man.
Now they're throwing down the field, adjusting the rock top. It's caught by Demarcus Robinson. An 89-yard pass, and Patrick Mahomes now has hit 5,000 yards passing and 50 touchdowns in a single season. Only the second player in the history of the National Football League to do so, joining Peyton Manning.
Nice job. Is that you? Nice shot. Nice shot. Put your foot on their neck. You understand me? Foot on the neck next series. Don't screw around and don't give them life.
They thought this was over. They thought it was over.
Hey, they don't want no part of us, man.
Honestly, I can't.
They don't want to play this run game with us.
They had to beat the Washington Redskins. They didn't just beat them, they dominated them every which way. They shut them out.
Gabbert controls to his right, looking downfield. Still looking, throws upfield. It's picked up, and there it is. The Colts are going to the playoffs.
And he's going to throw a little bubble screen out that way. And getting around the man, going for the pylon. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown.
Pittsburgh has done their job.
Go Bears!
Cohen's got the goal line. He barrels into the end zone for the touchdown. Fade to black. They'll do it on the road here in Minnesota and knock the rival Vikings out of the playoffs.
Don't let us get in. 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 You know what's going to happen.
They're on their knees and praying for Cleveland to win.
I'm trying to come to work next week. I don't want to go back home yet.
The Ravens must now win this game to get in the playoffs.
The whole NFL is
marching. 4th and 10.
1:06 left to play. Baker Mayfield to throw. His pass is intercepted. C.J. Mosley picks it off.
Hearts are broken in Pittsburgh.
We're the AFC no champs. It does not stop here.
We did something only 2 teams have done in NFL history, and that's make the playoffs from 1 and 5. Congratulations on that.
Hey, one of these right here. One more.